Hi everyone, I'm Julie with Mint Personal Chef. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a vegan cheesy cashew sauce with zucchini noodles. Let's get started! Guys, check that out. Alright, so all our prep work has been done to make the sauce, so let's move over to the stove and start cooking. Alright, now that our sauce has cooled, let's go ahead and blend it up. Yeah, dang, that looks so good. Liquid gold. Alright, I'm just gonna taste it here. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Let's cook the zucchini noodles and then plate it up. Oh my gosh, this looks so freaking good. Honestly, you won't even be able to tell the difference. This is actually probably better than a cheese. Alright, let's throw some basil on top and a little chopped cashews just for a nice little crunch. And wow, that looks fantastic. Buon appetito! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then click like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing dishes like this one. Enjoy!